Welcome back to S10 Life YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth and we're going to do an unboxing of some drop springs. They're BELLTECH. Part number is 23227. Pro Coil spring set for an 82 to 04 S10 S15. This is for Nolin's truck that we are LS swapping for him. So we're going to open the box. A lot of paper. We got these. These are kind of like plastic, feels like. The springs are actually pretty heavy. They look nice. They're like a charcoal metallic-y color. Stickers. Got these with my drop kit for my bravado. Get all this out of the way. Okay, so we're gonna measure them and we're going to weigh them. Came with these paper, I guess, kind of like instructions. Yep, kit installation right here. And then it's got some pictures so you can go by. Okay, so we're gonna measure these. Roughly 11.5 inches, it looks like, from the top of this right here. About the same. I would say probably about 5.5. Weigh these, they stay there. Too good? Looks like 10 pounds, 15.5 ounces. Make sure the other one is the same. 15.9 ounces. A little bit different. Around the same though. Alright, there we have it. We also have a fresh order of beanies and some new hats that we just got in yesterday. These will be posted on the website very soon, so be on the lookout. And thank you for watching the S10 Life YouTube channel. Until next time.